Hey guys, what's happening? How to use Synthesia AI to create realistic AI avatars. So first of all, go ahead and sign up on synthesia.io. Right, create an account and access the avatar tools. So I'm gonna click create AI video right here and select the avatar, Alex, Julia, or Joshua. Right? This is the script written already. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click create video, and of course add your credentials. Right, add right here your email, gmail.com. And how did you hear about Synthesia? LinkedIn. I'm not a robot. Confirm that I have read and understood the terms of service and privacy policy, and then go ahead and generate new video, and then customize the video. Right, adjust background, branding, and animation. In preview, make edits and export your AI generated video. They will send you the video via link in an email. So they will mail you the link, and you're gonna be able to click the link and watch the final video. Pro tip: use short, engaging scripts to keep viewers hooked. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.